Hello, and welcome to today's SAP Business One video on reporting, specifically within the service module. Today I'm going to give you a high-level overview of some of the cool reports within the service module and show you how easy the functionality is in SAP Business One. So first, let's go into service reports. I'm going to click on my three lines here to pull up the main menu. I'm going to scroll down to service, and then I'm going to click on service reports. You can see that there are many options with reporting features within the service module, but I'm just going to highlight a couple key ones that I know our customers use on a day-to-day basis. The first is service calls. If I click on service calls here, you can see a selection criteria populates. Here you have the ability as a user to define on what you want to see based off of the service calls report. I can check on going by specific dates, who it was handled by, what technician was a part of it. So there are many features for flexibility within this selection criteria, but as soon as I click OK, you can see that the report pulls all the service calls in my system. If I wanted to view the specific information, I can click on the golden link arrow next to call ID, and it'll pull up the specific service call, and I can see all the information about the specific call. Another key report within the service module is the equipment card. So I'm going to pull up my equipment card report here to view all equipment cards. Again, a selection criteria populates based off of what you want to see the equipment card by. Maybe it's by customer, maybe it's by vendor. That flexibility is there for you. So I'm going to click OK and view all equipment cards within the system. Again, you can see that it's a nice clean report with all the information needed, and I can go and view the specific equipment card by clicking on the golden link arrow here. And it pulls up the business partner master data, so I can view the customer information on the equipment card. I can view the actual customer name here, the serial number, the manufacturing serial number, the item description, and the contact person. So it does populate all the equipment information that you need and that you can view just by a click of a button. Finally, the last report that I'd like to view is my overall service contracts. To view the service contracts, I'll click that here. Another selection criteria populates for flexibility. When I click OK, I can view all service contracts within my system. And again, by clicking on the golden link arrow, users have the ability to view the equipment card information, which is a great tool just if you need to simply access the equipment card and view what's going on from a customer standpoint. And you can see all the clean information here. That concludes my video on service reports within the service module. Thank you for listening.